Hi Hebrew learners, welcome to Hebrew Weekly Words here in sunny Israel. This week's theme is birds, tzipor, which is awesome because I don't know if you can hear it, but there are like bajillion birds around me and it's almost getting annoying. So okay, let's start. ברווז, duck. I love ducks. They're so cute and chubby and cuddly. ברווזים הם שמנמנים וחמודים. Ducks are chubby and cute. Yona, pigeon, Yona. It's either pigeon or dove, which is the symbol of peace, at least in Israel. And also, Yona is feminine, but the plural ending sounds masculine, yonim. על העץ עומדת יונה לבנה. A white dove is standing on the tree. שחף, seagull. An animal which I like. Seagulls are super funny, at least they are in cartoons, like The Little Mermaid, which I love. השחף הוא מצחיק ומטורלל. The seagull is funny and wacky. תרנגול, rooster. התרנגול קורא קוקוריקו. The rooster goes קקדודלדו. The rooster goes קקדודלדו. התרנגול קורא קוקוריקו. תרנגול הודו, turkey. This is an interesting issue, I think, because in Hebrew, תרנגול הודו literally means India chicken, India rooster. And in English it's called turkey, so בחג ההודיה אוכלים תרנגול הודו. In Thanksgiving, people eat turkey. We don't celebrate Thanksgiving in Israel, obviously, but that's, I guess, a well-known fact. So this is the end. We learned about birds today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below, how do you say turkey in your language? And don't forget to check out the site, and I'll see you next video. Bye!